So there's a plugin I quickly set up that I just realized that the sound did not record in the plugin, and that's maintenance mode. Now, if I'm working on the website and I do not have a maintenance mode on this plugin, people will be seeing whatever I'm working on. They will see this funny looking face of the website, and I don't want people to see this. I want people to wait for when I'm coming. So I usually download a maintenance plugin. To download a maintenance plugin, just click on add new. When you click on add new, you search for maintenance. Now there are so many maintenance plugins, so many, trust me. If you keep scrolling, you still see many, but my favorite is this one called just maintenance. I install it and I activate it. So once I install it and activated it, it came up to my plugins. As remember, we've activated Elementor before. So two ways to open this plugin is to either click on settings or you click on here maintenance. So when you click on here on maintenance in here, you can see the various settings that you want. Usually the plugin used to be absolutely free, but right now there are some payment options. But if it pops up for you and you don't want to pay, just click on a blank screen so the pop-up would go. Make sure that it's toggled on and save changes, and ensure that what you want is written, the page title, the headline. It automatically picks the footer text from the settings of the website, and make sure you save. Another thing I've done is to go down and add my site logo. I also removed the background of the website, the background of the maintenance page. The background is this arable land with snow and all of that. So I just took it off and just changed the background color to white and the text to black. So you can actually do that, or you can change the background color to maybe an image of your event or something. And then if you come to the third party side, this is what they will see. They won't see they won't see this, what I'm working on again. So this is very important, I feel, to me, so that while you're working on your side, they don't see what you're working. They allow you finish your work and don't judge you before you're done or take information that is not relevant. So this is very, very important, and I think you can. Then you can decide to play around with other maintenance plugins that are free. It's absolutely fine. But for this, like I said, some areas are pro, so there are some things you might not be able to access unless you buy, see some features, some plugins and all of that. But we're trying to build the website on a budget. I really do not think it's necessary for you to actually buy. So that is it about the maintenance plugin.